EU Fishing AB 2435 €2,850 net, 3 months contract, no English required. Italian basic, we will give you emergency Italian words translation. If you are European, then please apply urgently to Embark 1037. We are starting to embark European ABs from fishing ships because these ROROs, they go from Barcelona, Valencia to Italy. It's a very straight trade. It is a busy trade. It has a huge garage, and you know it is very risky business. You have to have security, safety, training, and look after everybody, because roll-on, roll-off ships are very special, and throughout history the garage is the risky area that you need to be trained and follow the instructions from fishing to RORO. And if you are on board 1,000 tons fishing ship, this is 37 times bigger. The small ships, the big ships are 67,000 tons. So imagine, it's 67 times bigger ships than you are sailing with. If you are from Southern Europe or even Northern Europe, that there is no hope or jobs up north now, and here in the south we are taking the full wealth and the intrinsic value. This is your opportunity, because you can improve your family's well-being and the wealth, because these ships also have better health and living conditions. You have a cabin for 2 people, so it is much better. 22 crew members on board. Mediterranean trade, very close to your European home. Either you can join in Barcelona, Valencia, or in Italy. So it's like 1 hour flight. If you are fishing in the Indian, in the Pacific, in the South Atlantic, in the Antarctic, then here there's always going to be the same crew, same ships, state of the art. We're going to train and teach you how to work safely, because roll-on, roll-offs are a specific type of ships, and these ships are massive, big, modern, state of the art, European owner, Italian flag, fully covered, social security, 3 months contract. Perhaps you want to keep still doing fishing, but you want to try 3 months, because whatever fish types, you have 6 months per year to think about it. Apply urgently in Candina, like and subscribe, and thank you very much indeed for your time. These opportunities are going to grow because Europe has 26 member states, and each has like a chicken with no head training. So this is a great opportunity for you to go from far away, closer home, be with your family. ESG, corporate social responsibility, good governance, good social, fully covered Italian social security, Italian crew, a smiling crew, and of course in Italy they have one of the best kitchens in the world. You have a pasta cappuccino, you have all these beautiful gnocchi, bolognese, marvelous salads, nice people, very good professionals, and Italians are very smiley people, nice, because we, the people that smile, we live much longer. So if you are up north and no one smiles there, go and join Candina. From fishing to RORO, this is an opportunity. One day, apply crew inspector fast. Next day, we have your application sent. If you have 2-5 certificate, better, but 2-4 is okay. No English required. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.